Today I'm going to demonstrate how to autoflow text onto only one page of a two-page spread. So it's either this side of pages only or this side only. Let's get started. I'm going to open a new page, so I'll go to File and select New. I'll just use the A4 size. Then I'll turn on Multi-Page. Pick Start on Left. Change the number of pages to 2. And click Create Document. The document will open in Layout Studio and we'll see a two-page spread, also called a double-page spread, or what some people call facing pages. Next, I'll go to the Master Pages panel. I'll click the little arrow to expand and click Add Master. On the pop-up window, I can change the settings if I need to, but since I don't have one, I'll just click OK. Now we can see the two-page spread on the Master Pages. Let's say I want the text overflow on the left side pages or the art pages only and keep the right side free of text. So I'll select the Frame Text tool and draw the text frame on the art page. After that, I'll drag the master page onto the pages in the Pages panel. Now I'll double-click the pages and we can see the text frame is already added onto the left side page. The right page is blank. Now I'm gonna fill the frame with text. I'll copy this text by pressing Ctrl C and then back to the layout. I'll press Ctrl V to paste. Since it's a very long text, we'll see the little red triangle here, suggesting there's a text overflow and hidden. If I click the red eye icon, we can see the hidden text. Now press and hold Shift and click the red triangle, and we'll see new pages with new text frame already filled with text are generated automatically, and they are on the art pages only. Our right side pages or even pages are free of text. So that's about it. I hope this is helpful for you. If you'd like to learn about how to overflow text in all pages, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!